In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects, teams, or tasks in Asana tutorial. If your Asana workspace is getting crowded, archiving is a simple way to clear your view without losing valuable history. Think of archiving as putting something in storage. It's out of the way, but still easy to bring back or reference when you need it. Let's start with projects. In the left-hand panel, find the project you want to tuck away, hover over its name, and open the menu. That's the three dots, sometimes called the meatballs menu, or use the small drop-down arrow next to the project title. From that menu, choose Archive Project. The project will be removed from your active list, but all of its tasks, comments, and attachments remain preserved. When you need to review it later, you can surface archive projects by filtering your team's projects. If your plan includes advanced search, you can also use the search bar to find archived items by name or keyword. This keeps historical work accessible for reporting, handoffs, or audits while keeping your day-to-day workspace clean. That's tasks. Asana doesn't have a separate archive task button, and that's by design. The best practice is to mark a task complete. Click the checkbox next to the task, and it moves out of your active workflow. To keep your views focused, apply filters to hide completed tasks. In any project or in My Tasks, use the filter options to show only incomplete tasks or to limit the view to recent activity. This way, you maintain a clear record of what's done, but it won't clutter what needs your attention now. Finally, teams. There isn't a direct archive option for entire teams in Asana. A practical workaround is to rename the team to something like Old Projects or Inactive Teams. This signals to everyone that the work inside is historical, not active. Another helpful approach is to remove that team's projects from your favorites so they no longer sit at the top of your sidebar. You're not deleting anything. You're simply tidying up your main view and reducing distractions for you and your teammates. To recap, archive projects from the sidebar menu, complete tasks and use filters to hide them from active views, and for teams, use naming and favorites to de-emphasize old work. These small habits make Asana feel lighter, faster, and easier to navigate, while keeping your organization's knowledge intact and easy to find when you need it.